Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin.
Hi everybody and welcome back to our show, Fun with the Fab Fork. Today we have a very light and tasty dish that's not only fast and easy to make, but also serves as a healthy option for your dinner table. It's low carb, gluten-free, and just yummy. It's Almond Parmesan Baked Flounder. We really hope you enjoyed the show today. If so, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment below, especially if there's a dish you'd like to see. Goodbye, and see you next time on Fun with the Fab Fork. Thank you.